Drift the corner.
Swag to the wheels here. All right, what would you just say?
Said, once this works, if it does work, I'm going to drift my corner.
I'm going to drift this corner right here. Today, wait, you're planning to do the whole thing today? We're planning to clean this today. That's
clean it, at least clean it, and then just like if it comes down to it, gotta go get it in the yard.
The day we actually do this, we gotta wake up pretty early. So just spray, and then eventually it all will be gone.
Pretty much. You just have to really spray the shit out of it. Like I see guys doing this shit for like a couple minutes.
So.
My yard, my gum.
My yard. Well, we were gonna weld, but it's starting to rain. So we'll be back. Hopefully we can still post this video. Hopefully today. We'll try.
Oh. I can't even see shit.
I want to see here. Use the phone.
I want to get close. I can't.
If you use the phone, it'll be easier. Watch.
Phone for what?
To see. If you record.
I literally just need to weld it right there. I can't get to me. I just can't see. I just can't fucking see. This is annoying.
Ooh, this is not the time to be fucking.
No, really. I need to get it all fine.
Is your light still on? Yeah.
Is it it's on max, right? Fuck. I just hate when that shit happens. That's just annoying. Oh my god.
Yeah, so many real mechanics are going to be so mad watching this.
Who cares?
It's just blowing up.
No, wait, don't fucking record it then. And wait until it's like I can blow for it.
So you're telling me to stop recording until you got the feel for it?
I mean, you're kind of just criticizing me in video.
I'm sorry.
You're petting me like a dog.
Swaggity swag to the wheels here. Got a returning guest again.
Swag to the wheels. We are
Swag.
back.
What's up? What are we doing right now?
Welding.
We're welding. Welding diff.
Welding the diff.
Alright, so yeah, the other day we were welding in the rain. Now we finally got a good, clean, early day. Oops, but it's still gonna be just part 2. You think you should have practiced first before going right in?
Nah.
Okay.
I just gotta get this. The arc sparked.
Okay.
Oh, I can't see. Can't see. Can't see. Can't see.
Dude, remember who paid for this?
You did.
So,
Can always get another one. So
getting some progress now. kind of look right at it. Really, if you justify it. Now, that was a pretty good weld. You see it on camera. I really can't see because my eyes are kind of. What do you say?
I think it's a good weld. What do you guys think? That a good weld? Might be too small.
Any feedback is welcome to the comment.
Yeah. Let me take that shot.
Oh, oh.
Oh, you're getting good all of a sudden. See? Alright, you're warmed up now. I'm gonna say the clitoris. There it is. There it is. The clitoris. Oh. This is Brandon. Shout out to Brandon for saying clitoris on his channel, yo. Forgot his last name. Yo, you brought the clitoris, yo. Just park in front of my car. Look at that clitoris. It's got that wing because swag. Alright, we'll be back when it's done. You said what?
Yeah, I wish I had metal sleeve.
No, before that.
It's done.
Say it a little louder.
It's done. The weld, the diff is finished.
The diff is what?
Finished. It might not be
Get
good.
some good close-ups with those expert welds.
Of my mediocre welds that look like shit. Can't really bust off the slag.
Disappear again.
Hold up the end. Just hold up the end a little bit. So I can just get some good shots of my ass welds. That side's bad. This side I think is kind of better. Not really clean.
Alright, well. Now what?
What's that? Hopefully.
Yo, we should act like you're about to let me drive the 240 right now.
No.
And then we just cut it in right now. Alright, so, what's next?
I guess fixing my battery.
Alright, we also forgot to mention that the 240 isn't running right now, so we're going to try to push to start it. So, you guys want to help him? You want to help? You want to help him?
I should try. Yeah.
Alright.
You gotta push it really, really, really fast. Like, get it rolling.
Why did you pull the brake? Yo, Papa J pushing with food poisoning.
Huh?
Trying to help Ivan start his car by pushing it. Hey, SwagToTheWheels over here. Pushing a 240. Oh, because they're trying to make a video. It's not working. You're not gonna drift for us?
No, I can't drift with this movement, dude.
Damn. Pretty much. Where's he going?
I kind of want to go to quick check.
Woo! Yo, he was like an inch from the curb. Yo, he was like an inch from the curb. You saw that?
By the telephone pole, too.
He's like, I'm not. He about to watch him say, I'm never doing that again.
At first I thought those were sparks flying up there.
You're like 1 inch from the curb.
I know. If I had wider tires, that would have been terrible. That's why you need fucking.
Alright, just do a quick launch.
Like clutch kicks launch or like.
Nah,